chapan churi, garam masala, pani puri, aam churi, chapan churi, garam masala, pani puri, S-T-O-P, comma, full stop, stitch it. Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. Hello.
Hi guys, welcome to Tots and Moms.
I'm Kavita.
Disha.
Today we are celebrating Mother's Day in a special way. Disha is going to summer camp for a while now and she's learned many things, out of which one is yogasana. So she will teach me multiple forms of asanas today. Yav asana appa? Which all asana?
Asana. Veerabhadrasana. Vamanabhutasana. Kanajasana. Garuda.
Okay, so 4 or 5 of which she will teach me, I'll be learning. It's been a long while I did yoga. So what I've been doing is I'm going to gym these days to keep myself fit. Yoga I used to do, but now I'm not. So it's a nice activity, I would say, rather, to indulge in some fun and learning with Disha. So let's dive right in.
Okay, first in the
Guru Brahma,
Guru Vishnu,
Guru
Guru Deva,
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
I show you to Mama Garudasana.
Okay, show me how to do Garudasana. Okay. Come here, come here. Come and stand here. Wait, slowly, okay? Is it correct?
Yes.
Have I done it right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is this asana? Garudasana. Garudasana.
Mama is showing and show me Vrukshasana.
Oh, Disha will show me Vrukshasana. How to do Vrukshasana. Okay, this is how we do Vrukshasana. Correct?
Yeah.
Am I doing it right? Look at
Yes.
me.
Yes. Concentrate.
Concentrate. Shall I leave my legs?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Namaste.
Sorry, girl. Please.
Krishna.
Veerabhadrasana.
Natarajasana.
Natarajasana. Okay, Pavana Muktasana heng madodu.
Look at me.
Look at you.
Look at me.
Okay, I'm looking at you.
See.
Shall we copy this? Hold me. Hold me tight. So hope you like this video. This was a Mother's Day special from my end. My toddler, my preschooler, grown up, is already acting cranky. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Start. जिंदगी गले लगा ले, जिंदगी गले लगा ले, हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना, जिंदगी